Hi, I'm Maddie, and today we're going to be teaching you all the steps to Men in Black by Will Smith.
Howdy, and welcome to the Bar SC Ranch, where you will experience our journey of running a family business, caring for animals, and doing life together. Subscribe now and be inspired here at the Bar SC.
Men in Black is a 32 count 4-wall dance. We're going to break it up into counts of 8, and we're going to go ahead and turn around to teach you. For the first 8 counts, we're going to be doing something called pas de bourrée. In case you're not familiar with that term, we'll go ahead and break it down. You're going to take your left foot across, right foot behind, left foot together. So go ahead and do that one more time. Left foot across, right foot behind, left foot together. We're going to go ahead and do that 3 times. We're going to go left in front, behind together, right in front, behind together, left in front, behind together. Then you're going to cross right over your left and do a half turn. Next, we're going to teach you the second 8 counts and then put those together. We're going to start with a right heel tap, left heel tap. Then you're going to do a right toe and quarter turn over your right shoulder. Then you're going to do a left heel tap, right stomp. You're going to hold for a count, clap, clap. So putting those together, you're going to go right heel, right toe, turn, left heel, right stomp, clap, clap. Then we're going to put those 2 8 counts together, facing this way, 5, 6, 7, 8, left behind together, right behind together, left behind together, right turn, right heel, right toe, turn, left heel, right stomp, clap, clap. Next, we're going to teach you the third 8 counts. We're going to start with a right hip, bump, bump, moving to a left hip, bump, bump. Then we're going to walk forwards 4 steps, starting with our right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the final 8 counts, we're going to do what we call a backwards zigzag. So we're going to go right, behind, left, behind, right, behind, left, together. And that's the end of the dance. Now let's go ahead and do that all the way through. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left behind together, right behind together, left behind together, right across, turn. Right heel, right toe, turn, left heel, right stomp, clap, clap. Right bump, left bump, walk forwards, backwards, 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 together. Awesome, and that's the whole dance through. Join us in our next video where we dance Men in Black to the music. And check out our line dancing playlist for more instructional videos. We'll see you next time.
If you enjoyed this video, we'd love to hear from you. Like and subscribe and leave us a comment about what you might like to see in future episodes. We'll see you back on the ranch.